I know someday we must go. Oh, I'm a lucky man to count on both hands the ones I love. Some folks got just one, others they got none, oh yeah. Stay with me, let's just breathe. Practiced all my sins, no, they're never gonna let me win, oh no. I'm to everything, just another human being, oh yeah. Oh, I don't wanna hurt so much in this world to make me believe. Saw my one, and I got nothing, none, oh yeah. Stay with me, you're all I see. Did I say that I need you? Whoa, did I say I want you? Oh, if I didn't die a fool, you see, no one knows this more than me. 'Cause I come clean, I wonder every day, look upon your face, oh. Everything you would take, everything you gave, oh yeah. Nothing you would take, everything you gave. Did I say that I need you? Oh, did I say that I need you? Oh, if I didn't die, I'm a fool, you see. No one knows this more than me. Nothing you would take, everything you gave. Hold me till I die. See you on the other side. It's kind of a strange ending. I just want to get back in the chorus. Yeah, it just drops out. Oh, thank you.
It's like making the last note. You just like,
Okay, that's it. I'm done. That's it. I would like to jam on something.
Yeah, how about you play lead? Like I'll sing and you play lead guitar. All right, we do some Santana-esque.
Okay.
All right.
Maybe I could go, and after that I go on the smooth at the end.
Yes, you take over on the Santana. So, yes. He needs to and likes to.
he needs
I
to.
will.
I
I know, that's
got
the song.
four
Oh, the
picks.
song.
I need to. I need to do this.
What's the song?
Like,
It's like,
no, see, I like to do it. Sometimes I need to.
oh,
Yeah?
hey. Let's see.
When you take the James Taylor song,
Yeah.
the first night I viewed during band.
I did that song. I remember,
Yeah,
you know,
I
it's
did never
funny.
met you yet.
Was it that song? Because I never heard it.
Oh, that's a song too. I hadn't met you yet.
Yeah.
And I remember you commenting on that. I was like, oh, maybe it's a good thing to play. And it could get you.
Let me
Yeah.
let me call a couple of
Oh,
tunes.
yeah? You want to just sort of... Alright, maybe you take it.
Give it up for Bill Slater on the guitar and the vocals. Come on.
Is that your stage name? Is that okay? Or do you want to go by?
I don't know. It gets confusing. Just Slater.
Just Slater?
Yeah. No.
The D minor. Just play some D. D minor, like lead guitar.
Amor es muy peligroso. Besos para ti, my amor. Amiga, mi amigo, mi amor. Mi corazón se encanta y llora. Love is so dangerous. Kisses for you. We dance together. My friend, my love. My heart is enchanted when it cries tears. Puerto Rico, embrace me. Puerto Rico, you teach me. Puerto Rico, I love you. I love you. We love you.
How about it? Like this is a picking version of Time of Your Life. Just another 10-point fork stuck in the road. I don't think that's right. That's it. I knew something was there wrong. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this task, don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. Something unpredictable, in the end is right. I hope you have the time of your life. So take the photographs, still frames in your mind. Hang them on the shelf, good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dancing on trial. For what it's worth, was worth all the while. Something unpredictable, in the end is right. Hope you have the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. Hope you have the time of your life.
On my list of all-time favorite songs.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you have the time of your life. I hope you have the time of your life. That's one of Joe's favorite songs. That was a good one.
We got you drink juice.
I got a drink. Everybody, let's drink to this fabulous event.
Here.
Thank you.
No, that was fun. That was good. How about that Santana song that you do?
Okay.
Is that cool?
You want to do yours first?
Yours first, I think. Yeah, yeah.
On the top of my brain.
All right. Wow. That's
Yeah.
very exciting.
Congratulations on this whole thing.
Scored.
And
Amazing.
I got 2 sets of flowers.
Aw.
You got what?
And flowers. They Yvette, my cousin Yvette, the one in New York, from shows you sent me flowers. Linda Bob brought me flowers. That's Linda Bob. God's art.
All right, we're gonna do a little Santana stuff.
A minor. Yeah.
Oh, it's a hot one, about 7 inches from the midday sun. I hear you whispering your words, melt everyone, but you stay so cool. My Mona Quita, my Spanish Harlem Mona Lisa. You are my reason for reason. Step in my groove. If you said this life ain't good enough, I would give my word to lift you up. I would change my life to battle soon your mood. Just because you're so smooth. She's like the ocean under the water. Never see a bush get from you. Got love, it's so smooth. Yeah, give me your heart, make it real, or else forget about it. I tell you one thing. Leave it be a crying machine. Every breath and every word, I hear your name calling me out of the body. You hear my rhythms on the radio. You feel the turning of the world, so soft and slow, turning you round and around. This life ain't good enough. I would give my word to lift you up. I would change my life to better suit your mood. 'Cause you're so smooth. She's like the ocean under the moon. It seems to push get from you, baby. Can't so smooth, oh, your heart can read, or else forget about it. Smooth, oh, give me your heart, make it real, else forget about it. Yeah. Forget about it. Let's not forget about it.
Yes.
Yes, here we got an announcement from Monty.
You'll get the 2 last story.
I wanted to mention tonight, we wanted to thank Peter Avalos and Barry Church. I saw Barry. Is Peter around?
Sounds good. No, it's red, here. So
Barry.
it's good though. It's rock and roll.
Barry Church and Peter Avalos from Rincon Surfing Walk of Fame, International Surfing Walk of Fame. And we have here tonight, I don't know if he's still here, with Edwin Santos.
So you don't want static, you don't want
Edwin Santos, which was all over the magazines in 1980. So have applause to these surfers and to the legendary Walk of Fame guys that are here. Thank you, Barry and Peter Alvarez. Thank you.
Yeah, man.